You have a nice voice. You have a nice voice. Now, wait till you done the year since 2001. Reach now, that your nice voice never fetch you 1 naira. You see your life? You see your life? You are stuck with you have a nice voice mentality. Nice voice. If they bring food for table, they'll just tell you have a nice voice. You'll be blushing like Teletubbies. You see yourself? How to break out from that? You have a nice voice. You have a nice voice mentality. You need to break out by fire. You need to force yourself to come out of that spirit village people have assigned for you. See, the most dangerous compliment anybody can give you is you have a nice voice. It's funny, it's funny because I know that you don't hear these things often, but I will be the first person to tell you, you have a nice voice. It's no more a compliment. It used to be a compliment, but now it is not a compliment. You should be hearing that, oh, you have the voice that we need for this job. Oh, your voice is nice. I think it will be nice for this next project. That's what you should be hearing. Mindset shift. Maybe then they'll tell you have a nice voice. You cuddle, you go and coil in one side and be blushing. Huh? You're blushing. Has he brought any money to the table? No. So we need more of, you have a nice voice for the job. How do you do that? Convert that compliment into strategy to what? To book a job so that they will book you. Emotional intelligence is very important. Strategic delivery, identity, very, very important. Once they tell you that you have a nice voice, tell them immediately, I'm a voiceover artist and I believe this my nice voice will do good on your next project that needs a voiceover. Hi, I'm this person and this person. How about that? But no, they will tell you have a nice voice. You go come they blush. Are you a Teletubbies? Are you a fish? Come out your mentality from you have a nice voice. Nice voice don't pay bills. You sing so well, oh. Yes, I inherited it from my mommy. My mommy used to sing. Oh my God. Oh, I don't even know what to tell you. I can voice or I can sing for your next project. Always monetize every opportunity. Don't waste time. They'll tell you that you have a nice voice. You go those days after you blush finish, you waste that opportunity to pitch yourself. Please, I don't want any. I'm very calm today. I'm very, very, very calm today. I'm trying my best. Yes, so my country people, this is now Audio Active Wave with Vinney Oxygen, and over here we preach laziness, audio content creation, and faceless content. If you fit talk, you fit create anything. So today, I don't show you very, very sharp way of how to break out from the nice voice trap, because it is a trap your village people set for you and you must not fall inside. I must not what? Fall inside. If you don't learn anything for today's wave, oh yeah, drop the wave emoji in the comment section. Like, share, subscribe, and follow. I go see you for my next wave. Wave off.